everybody, hope we are all good. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're just joining us today, you're welcome, and you're welcome. I'm Miss Ifoma, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. So today I'll be teaching you all how to create a logo animation using Flixpress. So please kindly subscribe, and I know you're going to enjoy my video. I know you will. So for this video, we'll be needing three things. Firstly, a smartphone, any type of smartphone you want. Secondly, a browser. I use Chrome. And thirdly, a network service. Or you can also subscription data, because you need data to do this. Okay, let's go. So the next thing you're going to do is click on Chrome, and we click on www.com. Oh Jesus. So this is it, guys. So the next you're going to do is click on get started for free, and you allow it to load. Then you sign up. If you already for me, I've signed up already, so I'll log in. Click on login. Hello, log in. So you log in with your Google account, or you sign up with your Google account. So once you're done, this is the page you'll be seeing. Welcome scholar, blah 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 blah. So you scroll down, in case if you want to, these are your intros. You can even use them for logo, demo, everything you want. Let's pick this craft intro. I like. So we say this. Customize. They say upload image. Then look for any image of your choice. I'll click on the picture I want, and I click done. So that's it. Proceed. So this is the next page that you see. Here they say crop to fit, but for me I think I like it like this. So you click on next. Here what next you're going to do is click on submit order. Once you're done customizing, because here we customize our text. Hello, customize a subtitle, how are you? Then you choose an audio of your choice. Click on add audio. Let's give it some time. Then we choose this. Let's continue. Click on submit order. Click on yes, place order. So you allow it to. The order is being submitted. Give it some time. So we're here. The order is being submitted. I clicked on view my order, and here we are. Click on play. So this is what we just did now. Okay. So you see, you can use your logo and your this is what we did right now. So this is for logo animation. See, we click on that three dots, and you see download. Click on download, and your video will download immediately. Thanks for watching, and thanks for listening to my video, and I know you learned a lot from it. Thank you a lot. Please subscribe to my channel, please, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you, and I do have a nice day, and please don't forget, stay safe. Bye.